In this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal on OnlyFans and what's actually possible right now. First, open OnlyFans in your browser or app and log into your account. Go to your profile, then open Settings. If you're a creator, tap Bank or Payout Settings. If you're a fan, go to Payment Cards or Billing. Now, here's the important part. At the moment, OnlyFans usually does not support PayPal directly for payments or payouts. Instead, it mainly uses debit or credit cards for fans, handles, bank transfers, or other payout methods for creators. That means you won't see a button that says Add PayPal like on other platforms. So what can you do? As a fan, you can use a card that's linked to your PayPal or a virtual card from a service funded by your PayPal balance, as long as it works like a normal card. As a creator, you'll need to add a bank account or supported payout method to receive your earnings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.